So first of all, we need to simplify each one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, number 1. 3x plus 15. We factor the 3 out. So 3 out, that will be this. Okay, number 2. We use a formula a plus a squared minus b squared. So it will be a squared minus b squared will be equals to a plus b, a minus b, which will give me x plus 5 and x minus 5. And right away we know that this 2 can be cancelled. Okay, plus this one. We will use the same thing. This one tells me that this little 4x squared will be equals to bracket 2x bracket squared. Because 2 squared is 4 and x squared is x squared. It will give me the same thing with a different form. And minus 1 will be minus 1 squared because we know 1 squared is still equals to 1. So which will be using the same formula with this. Same concept. So that will give me that a will be 2x minus 1 and 2x plus 1. Okay? And then the last one is the polynomial. We need to factor them out. Okay? And that one will give me 2x minus 1 and x plus 5. Okay? If you're not sure, you can go back. 2x times x equals 2x squared, and 2x times 5 equals 10x minus 1x equals positive 9x minus 1 times positive 5 is negative 5. Okay, and then we will see the similar thing and we cancel it out as well. So that will give me much more simpler questions. Will be 3 over x minus 5 plus 2x plus 1 over x plus 5. Alright, and then what you need to do now is you need to think about the large common denominator. In this case, we want to get the common denominator will be x plus 5 and x minus 5. So it will give me something like, at the end it will give me something like this. X minus 5 times x plus 5. Because their common denominator is they times each other. So keep that in mind, minus 5 and x plus 5. Alright, and now we deal with each part. So for this one, 3 over x minus 5. How could that change to the denominator equals this? Okay, then my x minus 5 has to times x plus 5. So then when the bottom times x plus 5, then the top has to times x plus 5. Alright, and this one give me this. I don't have to rewrite it again. But this one will give me 3 over x plus 5. Alright, and it's going to be the same concept with this. X plus 5 has to be times x minus 5, which will give me x plus 5 has to times x minus 5, and this one will be x minus 5 as well. Don't get confused about this. This is just additional information. Alright, and this one will give it to me x minus 5 and then 2x plus 1. Okay? Alright. And what do we do next? Is we need to times them together. So, now I can use my mental math and let's do it together. So, 2x times x equals 2x squared. 2x times negative 5 equals negative 10x. Alright, and then 1 times x equals 1, positive 1, sorry, positive x. And then plus 1 times negative 1. Negative 5 equals negative 5. Alright, so you have 4 terms now. This one times this, equal this one times this, negative 10, 1x, negative 5. Alright. Okay, and we can do the next. So x minus 5, it's going to be the same. And here, oh, don't forget, it's a plus up there. So it has to be a plus here. Okay, that one is given to me 3x plus 15, because I'm just going to extend it here, plus 2x squared minus 10x plus x minus 5. Alright, and we have to rearrange them, right? So it's going to be 2x squared, that will be the first. And then 3x minus 10 plus x. So that one is going to give it to me negative 9, negative 6. So it will be, because I don't have enough room, so I'll just do here. 2x squared will give to me negative 6x. And it was at 15, and minus 5 will give to me plus 10. Okay? And we can shorten it again. We can factor the 2 out, right? Because you see they can all divide by 2. And it will give it to me something like 2 bracket x squared minus 3x, don't forget the x, and then plus 5. Right? So our final answer, because there's no way we can factor this one out, and we have to remember there's a denominator here. X plus 5. There you go. So there is the answer.